How to copy a YouTube transcript without timestamps. Looking for a quick and easy way to copy a YouTube video transcript without the timestamps? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get a clean transcript without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open YouTube in your web browser and find the video whose transcript you want to copy. Once you've opened the video, scroll down to the description and click More to expand it. Continue scrolling until you find the Transcript section. Click Show Transcript to open the full transcript on the right side of the screen. Now, click and drag your mouse to select the beginning of the transcript. Once you've selected the first part, scroll all the way down to the end of the transcript while holding the Shift key on your keyboard. Then, while still holding Shift, click at the end of the transcript. This will select everything between the beginning and the end. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy. At this point, you'll have the entire transcript copied, but it will still contain the timestamps. To remove them, open your web browser and go to Google Gemini. In the chat box, type a simple instruction such as "Remove the timestamps from this transcript," and then paste your copied transcript underneath it. Submit the prompt, and Gemini will process the text and provide you with a clean version without the timestamps. You can then copy the cleaned transcript and use it wherever you need. And that's how you can copy a YouTube transcript without timestamps, quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.